Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Suburban RST. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, panoramic sunroof, third row bench seating, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with red stitching throughout the vehicle. Lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. And that's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory, the chrome accent handle there. You're also going to these black running boards here as well, Chevrolet badging, and these leather heated power adjustable seats with the red stitch. Super comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your parking brake as well as your park assist, drive mode selector, and as well as your lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges here, all that fun stuff, forward collision, as well as your music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's just going to be push to start here, classic shifters, and onto the infotainment system. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Your trailering app also included. You can also access Amazon Alexa and downloadable apps, and as well as your rear camera with Hitch guidance there, and just the Chevrolet Maps Plus there. And down below, you're going to have your tri-zone climate controls here, as well as 2 USB ports and a 12-volt with a huge wireless charging pad. Lots of extra storage inside, and 2 more USB and an SD card reader as well. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable as well. You can see those red accents all the way across. Bose speakers up top as well. And then here you can access your rear trunk, and as well as your reading lamps and that panoramic sunroof right there. Here are these 22-inch aluminum wheels on Bridgestone tires. You're going to have the black Suburban badging with the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handle. Black luggage side rails up top, tinted rear glass in the back, and the RST badging here. Power liftgate as well. With the third row manually adjustable seating, you're going to have extra vents and hooks in the back, as well as an AC wall charger back here. More storage as well. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, we're going to have more paneling and storage on the doors here. That Bose speaker sound system. Come up here, the power locks and windows with the chrome handle, Chevrolet badging. Let's get into the third row. Again, you just hit these twice. That's going to give you a lot more room here. Third row bench seating, you're going to have cup holders and USB-C ports on each side as well. You're going to have vents and lamps up top as well. Lots of extra storage. So for the second row bench seat, they can recline, they can move back. You're going to have lots of extra legroom, storage behind passenger and driver side with rear cup holders, rear climate controls, and USB-C, and as well as an AC wall charger at the bottom there. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Lamps and handles and vents on the side. And right above you again is that panoramic sunroof. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Suburban RST. It comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as forward collision alert, panoramic sunroof, Bose speaker sound system, third row bench seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.